today I'm going to talk about what is menstrual cycle and whether you can perform exercise at the time of menstrual flow or not. So first of all, we will understand what is menstrual cycle, then we'll go for whether you can perform exercise or not, and if you can perform exercise, then what will be the effect on menstrual flow. So menstruation happens, which means your female hormones started working, and it's a sign of fertility. So this is the cycle of 28 to 38 days, which is basically start from the first day of menstrual flow, which long last for 3 to 6 days of your periods. So as I have told before that our all the body part works based on the command of your brain. Similarly, here also this female hormones also start functioning when your brain started giving the stimulus to the ovaries and uterus, that is your female organs. So as soon as any girl reaches to their puberty period, which is around 14 years of age, that time your brain start secreting the hormone called luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, which in turn stimulate the female organ in order to produce the female hormone called estrogen and progesterone. And this hormone start menstrual cycle. Throughout the menstrual cycle, this hormonal level will be fluctuating, and these hormones have important role in controlling a mood and maintaining the energy level in females. Now this hormone decrease during menstrual flow, that is your 3 to 6 days. Because of that, many symptoms will appear in female, that is stomach bloating, stomach upset, lower abdominal pain, depression, irritation, headache, fatigue, etc. Among these symptoms, one very much common symptom, that is lower abdominal pain or painful menstrual flow. Now what is the reason behind such painful menstrual flow? So the reason behind painful menstrual flow is at the time of periods, the female hormone decrease in body. Because of that, there is a specific chemical production will take place, that is prostaglandins, and that chemical will induce a painful uterus contraction and painful menstrual flow. In medical language, we will call it as a dysmenorrhea, which can be of two types, primary and secondary. Primary is purely in the young age girls, those who are not properly doing exercise and having unhealthy food habits. So if you are continuing such kind of bad habits for a prolonged period of time, due to that the hormonal imbalance will take place, and that hormonal imbalance can cause disease in the female organ. For example, PCOD, which is very much common, and that we will talk some other time. So our today's main concern is about primary dysmenorrhea or primary painful menstrual flow, and can women perform exercise on their periods. So first of all, we will understand what happens when you do exercise. Exercise acts as a painkiller. Even research also says that the women who are performing exercise regularly had decreased the incidence of painful menstrual flow. Why? Because at the time of performing exercise, there is a hormone release in your body called endorphin, which will be known as a feel good hormone, which means it will increase your pain threshold level and it will improve in your mood also, and other symptoms like stomach bloating and stomach upset, that also it will reduce. Now what type of exercise you can perform? Basically you can go for mild cardio. If you are interested in weight training, of course you can do weight training also, but here you have to decrease the weight and intensity on your menstrual flow day as compared to your normal days. If you are interested in yoga, of course you can go for that also, but here you can avoid certain poses like inverted poses where your head will be down and leg will be up. For example, Sarvangasana, Shirshasana. Why? Because it may disturb your menstrual flow. Other than that, you can go for mild stretching exercise, breathing exercise, and even meditation also. So during all this exercise, especially heavy exercise, make sure that you keep yourself hydrated, because during menstrual flow it's very easy to get dehydrated. Regarding the same topic, if you're having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.